Hair serum can be beneficial for hair as it can help to tame frizz, add shine, and protect from damage caused by heat styling tools. Now, hair serums typically contain ingredients like silicone or natural oils that coat the hair, smoothing down the cuticle and reducing flyaways. Now, however, it is important to use hair serum in moderation, as using too much can weigh down the hair and make it look greasy. It is also essential to choose a hair serum that's appropriate for your hair type. Let's know it from an expert which hair serum is suitable for different hair types and also how to apply hair serum.
Should we use hair serums or not? Most of the people can use hair serums. So the answer to the question is yes. Who are the people who can't use hair serums? Yeah, there are certain categories who should not, especially those who are suffering from skin diseases like seborrheic dermatitis, psoriasis, scalp irritation, or folliculitis, because some of these serums contain chemicals, fragrances, and moisturizer which can worsen the condition. But generally, people with dry, coarse, frizzy hairs, or general population, they can use it. If you are suffering from a disease, you should not use it. Consult a dermatologist before using it. But if you are not suffering from a disease, of course you can use it. What does these hair serums contain? They contain mainly silicone, which coats the surface of the hair, the cuticle of the hair, and prevents the hair from damage from environmental pollution, dust. We go for a lot of heat styling and chemical styling these days, so it prevents against heat styling and chemical styling as well. If you're going for various procedures. Some of these hair serum contain various kind of moisturizing agents like argan oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, virgin coconut oil, onion oils. Now these hairs add a lot of moisture. They tap in the moistures as well. And again, if you have very frizzy hairs, coarse hairs, damaged and dry hairs, they help you in that. Some of these hair serums contain hydrolyzed keratin in it, which prevents split ends, and if there are split ends and damaged ends, it treats them as well. The next is how to use a hair serum. So that becomes very important, because a lot of people don't know how to use a hair serum. So first, make sure you shampoo the hairs. Why you want to shampoo the hairs? So that you remove the dust and the pollutions. See, hair serum protects you against this. But if you do not shampoo the hairs before application of the hair serum, you're tapping in the dust, you're tapping in the pollution. So make sure you wash your hairs with the shampoo, towel dry it, take a little bit of the serum in the hand, warm it, because it will make the hair serum smoother. Some of these are very heavy serums, so smoothen it, and then gently apply it from the middle of the shaft to the end of the shaft. Do not apply it on the ends. Why? Because it can lead to weighed hairs, thick hairs, greasy look that you don't want. You want a lighter look, so from the middle of the shaft to the end. Plus, if you apply the roots, it can lead to scalp irritation and folliculitis as well. What should be an ideal hair serum? An ideal hair serum should be, a toxin-free, chemical-free, paraben-free, and should have less fragrance, because fragrance can cause damages. And what should be the don'ts when you use a hair serum? The don'ts should be very simple. It should not be very heavy. Make sure you don't shampoo the hairs after application of the hair serum, because you're defeating the purpose.